Change memory stand. Switch on. We can spread out Jordan stand. Well, good morning, parents, grandma, and grandpas. We're glad you made it. I'm Sherry Webb. I'm the pre-K and kindergarten teacher. And they don't know this is really a program. They just think this is what we do every day. But we're glad you made it, and we have some exciting little things that we're going to do for you this morning. This is fun for me to do. Teacher Ashley over there was one of my little pre-K persons when I got to do this many, many years ago. So this is pretty exciting to see her in a different role. Oh, yay! Great. Let me get started. Okay, so we're going to get started first. We have a poem and a story we're going to do, and then we're going to do some singing. Are you guys ready? The name of our poem is Long, Long Ago. Wind through the olive tree softly did blow. Round little Bethlehem, long, long ago. Sheep on the hillside lay white in snow. Shepherds were watching them long, long ago. Then the happy sky, angels bent low, singing their songs of joy, long, long ago. For in a manger bed, cradled we know, Jesus came to Bethlehem, long, long ago. The name of our story is Christmas, Luke 2:1-7.
Joseph and Mary traveled to Bethlehem. The city was so crowded they could not find a place to sleep.
Ready?
Joseph and Mary stayed in the stable. What animals?
What animals? You ready?
While they were there, baby Jesus was born. Mary wrapped him in soft cloths and laid him in a manger.